Hey everyone, my name is Jess and I'm the restoration specialist at 21 Acres, and I'm here to do a really brief, not comprehensive, but important little segue into tool safety. So it's really important to us at 21 Acres that you are safe here and that you don't get hurt. We don't want to see any of our volunteers have a bad experience here, and so there's just a few tips to help facilitate that. So the first thing is long-handled tools. We always want to be careful with them, and when we're not using them, make sure whatever the implement is, it's face down, so that you're not going to step on it, which will cause it to go up, or stab yourself with the prong. So when we're not using it, put it somewhere safe and visible and with the implement face down. When you do start to use it, there's really no reason why any tool should be above your knee or your waist. So just try and keep it low, and if you're finding that you're having to do something where it's going above your knees, then you should reassess what you're doing, because maybe it's not the right tool for the job. So shovel, fork, same thing, except for now we have these pointy prongs. And so the other thing I like to tell people is just beware of your circle. Wherever the tool can hit somewhere else, they shouldn't be close enough to be able to get hit by your tool in case you lose control of it. So again, I'm going to put it down with the forks facing down and somewhere where I can see it. For our hand tools, with the pruners, you just want to make sure that they're not in your pockets, because it's more likely for them to fall out, or they could possibly hurt you or poke you, stab you. So just make sure when you're not using it, it's in a visible place where you can find it again. And then when you are walking with it, point it down just like scissors, and just treat it with respect for the sharp and painful object that it is. Hori. Some of these are actually quite sharp. They have a serrated edge, and then they have just a sharp flat edge. So when you're using them, just make sure that they're pointing towards the ground, that you're not just throwing them around, that you're leaving them in a visible spot, and that you are using them with respect and you aren't using them to torment other volunteers. This is a tool for gardening. Other than that, I would just say listen to your body. If you are feeling really tired, get a drink of water. If you are finding something's too heavy, don't lift it. Don't do anything that makes your body say, hey, wait. Just try and respect your own limits. And if you see someone else taking on too much, you can always offer a hand if someone's lifting something that's too heavy. Other than that, I think you guys all know how to be safe on the farm, and we hope you have a nice time here.